Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're back to work on our Genny shovel chopper. So something I wanted to do on this is build a coffin tank out of aluminum. And this is our mock-up that we kind of have made out of poster board. One side, so probably going to go a little wider than this because I really want it to be wider than our front end. So it's probably going to end up being out here somewhere. So got our sheet of aluminum over here. This is 080, I believe. Something like that, 080, 083, somewhere around there. Anyway, let's get to it. Damn it. Alright, so here we are. Here's what we have. Need to do a little fine tuning here, right? So I need to pin this a little bit in, but for the most part, it's ready to go. At least the shell, alright? We still got to do the bottom and the tunnel, but I'm going to weld this thing out. That way this is all done, and then I can know exactly where the bottom needs to be. So let's get to it. Got the inside all welded last night. It's cooled off. Got our tunnel. Alright. Still got to weld the outside. Put some beads down here, which we'll do that later. I have a plan for that. Gonna take this a little further, you know, because I like to do extra work for some reason. And then I'll probably scrap it. So anyway, let's get the tunnel put in, finish it up. Alright, so got the bottom tacked on. Nice little faster deal. Got our tunnel, still got to fit our tunnel a little better and then weld it all out. But it's on. It fits ish. Still got to figure out petcock and where we're going to put our, you know, gas cap, but whatever. Pretty happy. I'm glad we did this on the bottom instead of making this flat. I feel like it flows a lot better, and it's not just flat on the bottom, especially from the front. Like, pretty happy with how it's placed. So, gotta make a couple more pieces and then do a shit ton of welding. So, we'll get to it. Stay tuned. Welding is finally done. Here's our tank. Got her all welded up. Got our tab on here. Got it on the front. Hold deal. Right, let's put it on. That'll do. There we go. I just gotta do a whole lot of blending. Might do some stuff on top. I'm thinking either just do a bead and lead the bead, or do some sort of pattern or something. I don't know. Thought I was just taking angle iron, aluminum L channel deal, and just fucking stick it on here. Have like a little raised deal and do it on all the corners. But we'll see. I'll still about square stock or round stock, or just building the bead up and then just rounding it over and all kinds of other shit. So who knows? Who knows what we'll do? I might just leave it like that. We'll see. So next thing we gotta do, I gotta build put a petcock in it and a fuel or a cap. So gotta get those bungs. I had the bung for the petcock. I don't have one for the fuel cap, so I gotta get that. And then oil tank, but I need to put a couple of those braces in the frame still. I still haven't done the rear mount for the transmission, and I haven't done the upper like bar support for the fender. So need to do those, which means put it back in the jig. So anyway, but that's gonna do it for this video. Take care, and we'll see you later.